Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with HSA Bank for HSA eligibility. To authenticate with HSA Bank for HSA eligibility and access, begin by visiting the official HSA Bank website. Look for the login option on the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your credentials. Once you have successfully entered your username and password, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be able to access your HSA account dashboard. Here, you can view your account balance and transaction history. To check for HSA eligibility, navigate to the Eligibility section. Review the eligibility criteria provided on the page. Confirm that you meet the requirements for health savings account eligibility. If you need further assistance, look for the support options available on the site. You can either call customer service or use the chat feature for immediate help. Remember to log out of your account securely after you finish. This ensures the safety of your personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.